Okay, so moving forward, right? Last week I think I gave you one question as homework, and I think some of you stay back, like Toby, Xander, they all stay back to do this question. All right. So for those who didn't stay back, right, it's okay. All right. Can you please give me the answers to this into the chat, please? Not very difficult. Not very difficult. All right. How much is the dog in the window? Woof, woof. Oh, sorry. How much money did he save in 3 days? All right, go to the chat and give me the answer, please. And then for part B, Benjamin then spent all his saving on 4 identical pens. How much did each pen cost? Oh, Zoe, good job. Eh? Zoe, something wrong? A bit careless? A little bit careless? Eh? How come you get $15.40? Eh? Is it my answer wrong? Okay, both Zoe and Jasmine got the same answer. I think I better check my answer. Right, because my answer is $15.60. And both of them get $15.40. I think they might be right. Oh, Phoenicia also get 15.40. Is it okay? Let me check. I think my answer is wrong. Wait, sorry, I start to panic because my answer may be wrong. So Benjamin saved some of his pocket money for 3 days. He saved $5 on the first day. All right, so $5 on the first day. Can? Then what happened? For the remaining 2 days, he saved 20 cents more than the previous day. So on the second day, right, he saved $5 plus what? 20 cents. Is that true? Do you understand, children? Do you understand? And on the third day, what happened? All right, he saved 20 cents more than the second day. All right, so second day is up to here, what? So he saved another 20 cents. Correct or not? Like that. All right. That's on the third day, right? Darius, you got 1560. I also got that. Okay, then move on. How much money did he save in the 3 days? 3 days. So down here, the first day is $5, right? The second day is $5.20. And the third day is what? $5.40, what? Correct or not? Correct or not? So for the 3 days, total, to 3 days. Oh, sorry. For the 3 days, right? The 3 days total will be how much? Will be equal to 5 plus $5.20 plus $5.40, right? And therefore answer is $15.60. Children, I'm correct. All right, but the rest, good try. Please know your mistake. Children, please know your mistake. Look at the question. 3 days, right? 3 days. On the first day of Christmas, I get my $5. La 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 la. On the second day, okay, can you see or not? So every day, right, is a plus 20 cents. Do you understand? So on the second day is plus a 20 cents. But on the third day of Christmas, what happened? You plus another 20 cents from your second day. Understand or not? For the remaining 2 days, he saved 20 cents more than the previous day. Understand or not? Understand or not, children? The English down here. Can? Yeah, Kat, you got it right. Imagine that all your math questions, right, your teacher will sing to you. Wow, that would be quite exciting, right? Just imagine, All right, instead of just reading these ones, so boring. All right, imagine your teacher will start singing song. All right, anyway. All right, so can you see the answer is $15.60? Oh, please be careful. All right, because usually if part A wrong, right, part B will be affected. Benjamin then spent all his savings on 4 identical pens. What's the meaning of identical? Identical means same. Identical means same. All right, so you take $15.60 to divide by what? 4. All right, you must be flexible, right, by now to learn how to divide already. Right, so 4 times 4 equal to 16. 4 times 3 equal to 12. All right, there's a remainder of 3. Bring down the 6. The decimal dot, right, on top. 4 times 9, 36. 0 here. Bring down the 0. 4 times 0 is a is a 0. And therefore, drum roll, the answer is $3.90. Yes, Darius, I saw your answer. Yes, Jasmine, I saw your answer. Thank you so much. So, children, can you, yes, Venisha, I saw your answer also. Children, can you understand what I'm trying to say? If your part A is wrong, your part B will be affected. It's a disease. All right, I told you already. All right, because carelessness is really a disease. Most of you can do. Most of you are very good. But many of you got this carelessness disease. All right, and disease can what? Can spread, you know. Down here, you got it wrong. Down here, you spread also to get it wrong also. Correct or not just now? Those who got it wrong for both questions, you know what I mean, right? So children, be careful. All right, read the question properly before you attempt. Shafi, thank you. I saw your answer. Beautiful. You guys are amazing. All right. Sorry, children. Just want to say something again. All right. Don't find me naggy. Today I'm very happy. Why? Because got more than half of the classmates, right, did the worksheet number 37. Good job, children. Good job. All right. So this worksheet, right, that we are going to look, this one, this worksheet, right, got more than half the class did the worksheet. Thank you so much, children. Thank you for putting in the effort to attempt the worksheet. All right, people like Shafi, people like Shi Yu, people like Kat, all right, a lot of them actually participated in the worksheet. All right, thank you so much, children. You all make my day. Right, see, I'm very easy to be happy one. Seriously, you just do the worksheet, I'm happy. Weird, right? I know. Yeah, there's a lot of weird people around, so I'm one of them, okay? Anyway, let's take a look at question 1. So this is actually from worksheet number 37. Question 1. All right, so there will be some extra questions later. There will be a bit of Kahoot also later. All right. So, oops. Sorry, my doggies, they bark. Okay, now question 1. All right, this one, most of you got it correct. All right, but can I just get Abiu to look at question 1 with me? All right, Abiu, where are you? Messi? Oh, yeah, okay. All right, so the number is 36,548. Down here, you read as 36,548. Okay? When rounded off to the nearest 100. All right, so this is the hundreds place. This is the hundreds place. So you are supposed to look at this number. All right? Okay, you are supposed to focus on the number on the right-hand side, this number here. If this number is a 4, right, it's actually below 5. What do? All right, you have to maintain. All right, if it's below 5, you have to maintain. Maintain it as a 5 for this number here. So your answer will be 365. What you do? 0, 0. All right, so your answer should be a A. Abiu, understand or not? Abiu. All right, so again, this type of question must be careful. 5 and above, then you round up. All right, below 5, you have to maintain. Can? Hey, but I don't know what you're trying to say. Okay, children, don't worry. Is there a second method? Yes. All right. So for example, the number 3, 36,548. The question wants it to be 100, right? So again, your focus must be on the 100 part. All right, so where is the 100 is this portion here? All right, focus on the 100 part, which is the 548. When they say nearest 100, right, your answers must have the 2 zeros at the back one. You know that 100. 100 means 2 0, right? So you ask yourself, 548, right, is between what 100 and what 100? 548 is between 500 and 600. Is that true? 548 is between 500 and 600. Now you ask yourself, 48 is closer to 500 or is it 600? Just imagine, the number 48 is to the left or to the right? Can you see that it's actually towards here? All right, it's nearer towards the 500. It's nearer towards. All right, so the answer will be what? The answer will be 36,500. Still the same one. Can you see or not, children? All right, so this is another way of doing. All right, for those who don't like this method, can? Okay, so rounding off is actually quite simple. Must score, must learn, must get it correct. Can? Here come question 2, question 2. All right, all these are easy questions. Question 2 is a bit of the fraction question. Are you ready? Yes, I am. Okay, let's go. Arrange the following fractions from the greatest to the smallest. All right, for this question, most of you got it right. All right, but can I get Jasmine to look at this question? All right, focus on Jasmine, okay? So they want the greatest, right? So usually, right, I very scared one. I always put the word great and the word smallest. We can put the word small down here. All right, then I will purposely draw 3 lines, you know that. All right, so when my eyes, right, when my eyes see the word great, right, it means big one. All right, so my eyes can see. So the big one must be here. And the small one or the least must be down here. Understand or not? So when I write this out, right, my eyes will tell me the big number must put here, the smaller number must put here. All right, so I'm not trying to do everything in my head. I know it's very simple, I know. I'm not trying to do everything in my head. Do the mental sum. No, you write it out. So once you write it out, right, you can actually see it. Once you can see it, right, you can actually get the answer correct. So we have these three fractions, children. Take a look at these three fractions. 7 over 12, 1 over 4, and 2 over 3. Right. Sure. There seems to be some common one. Common number. Yeah. All right. 12 is the common number here. All right. So what you do? 4 times 3, 1 times 3. 3 times 4 and 2 times 4. Ta-da! All right. So who is the biggest? All right, Jasmine, who is the biggest? All right. Can you see who is the biggest? Of course you can see, right? Of course you can see that this one is the biggest, right? 8 is the biggest. All right. Followed by 7. And after that, 3. All right. But remember, in your exam, do not write 8 over 12. All right. If they ask you to write the numbers, you cannot write 8 over 12. You must write as what? All right. If this question appears in your, like, you know, the short answer question, you must write back your 2/3. All right. You cannot write 8 over 12. You must write 2/3. Then down here is 7 over 12. Followed by, you cannot write 3 over 12. You must write 1 over 4. All right. And which is the answer? Answer is D. Is that okay? Cat. Oh, sorry. Cat answered question A. Correct. Yeah, but this one is D. That is Olivia Ong answering. Correct. All right. So Jasmine, okay or not? Yeah, clear. All right. So children, usually for the MCQ and the short answer, you cannot make mistakes one. All right. It's very, very it's very bad to make mistake. All right. So please be super careful. Darius, are you there? Oh yeah, sorry, I cannot see you. Looking good. All right. Who is this? I think who is this? Voxele, Elena. Is it? How come I got this? Start with V1, man. All right. Who is this person? Might be a secret service, secret agent. All right. Hey, if you are a secret agent, must let me know, okay? Oh my goodness. All right. So 2/3, 7, 12, and 1/4. 2/3, 7, 12, and 1/4. Yes, Shafi. Thank you for the answer. Thank you so much. Okay. All right. So question 2 is easy. All right. You can actually try to make the denominator the same and you just compare accordingly. It will be great. Okay. Oh, question 3 is talking about some pencil. Sure, so easy. Easy. Let me see. Oh, yeah. Everybody got this correct. Good job. All right. Everybody got this correct. Luckily. All right. So in the worksheet, right, I saw that everybody put answer B. Good job. All right. So it's actually to this portion here. This is actually 6.5, 6.6, 6.7, 6.8. So in the diagram, what is the length of the pencil in centimeter? Answer is 6.8 centimeter. Answer is B. Everybody got this right. Good job. Good job. Yes, thank you, Kat. Thank you, Shafi. All right, thank you, Olivia. Good job. Okay, so again, right, this type of question must know. But children, sometimes, right, very irritating, you know. Very irritating. They draw something like that. They draw something like that. What is the length of this line? Have you seen this type of question before? They don't start from 0, 1. They start from in the center one. You can see or not like that? Okay, come. Anyone, children? All right, this one is now here. All right, I give you this one as 2.2. All right, some of you have to zoom in. All right, some of you are already wearing glasses. Yeah, I still draw until so small, right? So bad, right? So what's the answer, children? All right, my question is, what is the length of this line? Length of green line equal to? Yes, Shafi, good job. Can you see not, children? All right. Be careful, children. Not every time it start from the 0.1, all right? Not every time it start from the 0 point. So sometimes it start from in the center down here. All right, and they draw all the way to down here. All right, then they ask you, hey, what is the length down here?